Good morning, Maui. Checking out our surface analysis. Our high pressure is in a northeast position. Looks like we have these east wind barbs, and this low pressure is still going to be giving us these white clouds. We've been getting a lot of these little low trophy troughs to the left pushing up, so it's still trending. When we look at our wind mat, you see we do have a nice east flow. It doesn't look too strong. Could be good for flying far away from that high. But this low and these clouds are going to disturb whatever goodness that wind was going to give us. Getting a more detailed look, we have a 27-mile-an-hour east wind hitting the islands. And here is that convergence of that low trophy trough kind of pushing through. Again, this low came from the south, not from the north, so we're not really getting waves, we're just going to get clouds. Our crater is looking pretty decent. It's 3 miles an hour from the south-southwest. When we look at our Big Island sounding, we follow the diabatic line almost up to the 5,000 foot mark with a strong inversion. All winds are kind of east-southeast. This would be indicating a good day of flying, probably, minus the clouds. But when we jump over to Kauai, we see quite the opposite with a small inversion and then a higher one above. This would be a good high crater flying day right here, this line. And the winds are a little more confibulated. These are those clouds that low pressure is giving us, disturbing our sunlight. Looks like a nice big low up here. Again, the day is still going to look overcast. We might get a couple of patches of sunlight, but that upper level disturbance is going to hang around. And when it comes to rain, we have this like southwest looking flow. I think that's an upper level thing. And it doesn't look like we have too many showers coming in. Another view of all that overcast cloud covering the islands. And again, we'll see it again on the big blue. Wind guru forecast is looking a little bleak. Again, we're going to have east winds today with those overcast clouds turning southeast and some rain. Might happen, might not. They're forecasting the wind to die for the week without any waves. So that's kind of a bummer, but we'll live. Our tides are going to be low around noon and get high in the evening. Checking out our local most buoy. Our probably dominant feature for fun today is going to be the swell. It's finally backing down to 7.9, 13 seconds, north-northeast. We scroll down and we just see that our true wave height is going to be about 5 foot. But if you look back, you'll see we've had some 3.6, 4.3, so it has backed down to the marginal head and a half size from being double overhead the last couple days. And again, locations are important. You know, Hokipa gets a little bit funky on north-northeast, and then down the coast there can be a few other spots, but we'll see what the wind does. Nice look at our sun. We have quite a big coronal hole right in the middle. We're going to take a different look, and we see this nice coronal hole looking pretty eerie on the sun. I haven't had too many flares, but I thought this looked pretty cool. Alright guys, have a good day. Again, I would wish we would have flying conditions, but it looks like we're just going to have some cloudy cold surfing. So have a good day, take care, and be safe.